Hey, it's Kamori, and today I'm going to be showing you how I styled my wig for my Rin Tohsaka cosplay. If you are interested in doing the same for your own wig, I will put a link in the description box below of the base wig parts that I used, and also a link for a free pattern for making her hair bows. So, let's get started. For the base wig for Rin, I'm starting with a long curly wig and then two curly clip-on ponytails from Purple Plum. I'll put a link to the exact wig and pieces in the description box below. We're going to start by removing the pigtails so that we can focus on the base wig. Now we're going to try on the wig and put a little hair clip to mark where you want the bangs to be and trim them to that length. Rin has this part in her bangs, and as you can see, the wig is kind of matted to give the bangs a bit more fullness, so I did end up cutting a piece that had that mattedness in it out of the center so that the part in the bangs was a bit more prominent. Then I'm going to relax the curls a little bit just by spraying the wig with some wig detangler, and then just brushing and running the fingers through the wig so that the curls aren't as chunky. Clip the pigtails back on, then spray it through with some detangler and brush them so that the curls are not as chunky. Then go through the base of the wig and look for any pieces that are very, very curly, and I went ahead and flattened them a little bit with a flat iron. Rin's hair is not very straight. It definitely does have a waviness to it, so I didn't want to completely straighten the wig, but this makes it so that it's not as quite obviously curly. Then we're just going to spritz a little bit of hairspray on the top to keep the bangs in place. For Rin's hair bows, we're going to start by cutting two rectangles out of some black satin. Then we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to sew it together along the side, leaving a gap in the center open. Then continue along and sew up the side. Then we're going to cut four of the bow top pieces out of the same black satin. Then put right sides together, and we're going to sew them together all along the edge, leaving a gap open at the flattest area. Turn the bow pieces right side out, then we're going to press them flat and sew the holes closed. For the bow knots, we're going to cut two rectangles out of some black satin, fold them in half, and sew them together along the side. Then we're going to turn the tube right side out, fold the edges inward, and sew them in place. Wrap the knot piece around the center of the bow, insert a hair clip, and hand sew everything into place. Clip the bows onto the wig and turn them so that the points of the bow are turned away from the head. If you want the points to stick up a little bit more, you could also add some interfacing into them. And with that, Rin's wig is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.